Male miscellaneous. Body piercing and tattoo adornments will not be visible while in uniform. Ankle chains or bracelets, nose jewelry, and fingernail jewelry are not permitted. Male hairstyles and grooming. All hairstyles for men, including sideburns, will be maintained in a professional manner and appropriate for business wear, and will not extend below the bottom of the shirt collar. All hairstyles will be clean and neat. Hair color is limited to natural human hair shade. Ponytails and hair restraints are not allowed for male hairstyles. Cornrows, fully or partially braided hairstyles without beads may be worn. Dreadlocks are not permitted. Fully shaved and very short hairstyles for males are allowed. If a wig or hairpiece is worn, it must be of good quality, professional, appropriate for business wear and meet all hairstyle criteria listed. Facial hair. Sideburns, mustaches, beards, and goatees will be neatly trimmed and conservatively styled and fully grown in without patch spots when in uniform. Beards or goatees will be a full circle, including mustache, with a clean-shaved neck. Facial hair will be at least 1/4 inch, but not more than 1 inch long. Facial hair will be maintained in a clean, neat and well-groomed condition. Nail care. Nails will be no longer than the tip of the finger and will be rounded to follow the shape of the finger. Nails may be buffed, or a clear protector base polish may be worn. Miscellaneous accessories for male or female. The miscellaneous accessories used by male and female cabin crew are discussed below. Cabin crew wings. Wings will be worn upright on the stitch marks or eyelets, if included, of the outermost garment listed below. Blazer. Short-sleeved jacket. Dress. Epaulette shirt. Sweater. Female tailored vest. Maternity uniform. Name tags or language pins. Name tags are required and may read as follows. First name or appropriate nickname only, for example, Elizabeth, or Beth, Robert, or Bob. First initials and last name. First and last name. The name tag will be worn and visible at all times, while on board the aircraft and in the terminal. On garments where wings are worn, the name tag will be worn below the wings. On garments where wings are not worn, for example, the blouse, long-sleeve shirt or serving garment, the name tag will be worn on the left side. Purser name tag will only be worn when flying the purser position or on narrow-body equipment. Cabin crew speakers who are language qualified must wear their language name tag on flights where she or he is a designated language speaker. Purser stars. One star may be worn 1/2 to 1 inch above the center of the stripe on each sleeve of the Navy uniform jacket. All-weather coat. The company-issued all-weather or optional wool coat is preferred. Non-company-issued coats may be worn, but must look like the company-issued coats in both design and color. Sunglasses. Sunglasses may be worn outdoors only. Uniform luggage. The following company-issued luggage pieces, or black lookalikes, may be carried. Black open-shoulder tote bag. Female handbag. Hard or soft-sided suitcase, 45 inches total dimensions, length plus width plus height. Travel Pro Tote. Lunch Tote. Garment Bag, black. One identifying device or bag tag may be placed on the rim or handle. All uniform, personal and layover items and clothing will be carried inside approved luggage. Shopping bags may only be carried when they contain items purchased during a layover. Shopping bags must meet carry-on baggage regulations including size and number. A maximum of 3 carry-on items, 2 approved bags, including shopping bags, and 1 personal. Summary. Grooming and appearance are an integral part of a cabin crew's performance, along with safety and service procedures. Cabin crews are required to adhere to the uniform, grooming, and image standards, and components according to the company regulations. In every continent, the uniform is quite similar for both male and female cabin crews. For female employees, the uniform usually includes blazer, short-sleeve jacket, vest, or sweater which are worn for boarding, deplaning or while in the terminal, unless the dress or maternity uniform is worn. The uniforms for male cabin crews also include blazer, shirts, vests, sweater, etc.